Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in this shower and I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace traditional tap washer spindles with ceramic spindles. So the reason that I'm upgrading here today from the rubber washer style to the ceramic tap spindle is purely maintenance. I don't want to be coming back and replacing a rubber wash every 6 to 9 months when I can have a ceramic tap spindle in there which is going to last for years. However, other people may want to do this because they've got an elderly person and the ceramic tap washers are easy to close. You simply can choose different models, quarter, half or 3/4. Today I'm going to be installing these half spindle ceramic washers. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is to isolate the water to the property. So with the water isolated, we can remove the hardware for the existing taps. That one was quite loose. And then we get our shifter and we remove the actual spindle. Now the traditional washers might have swirled a little bit, so you might need to get just some long pliers just to get that out. And there you can see the traditional washer. So to install the new ceramic spindle, we need to remove any protective sleeves that the spindle may have come with, such as this one. And then something that's really important is we need to make sure that these two pieces are completely separated. My packaging that I received this one, they were, but I've seen others where they actually come as an assembled unit. If that's the case, take this collet off because you need to have this off and install this on its own. It's quite important that this seal here seats nicely down onto the seat. But before we actually install this, we're going to check the condition of the existing seats in the breech. Now, just looking in here, we can see that the breech is really flat and really clean, so that's good. Just hop across to the hot side and we can see that breech is also very flat and clean. So we don't have a problem. Now, if we had a problem with the existing breeches, you would need to grind the seats flat with a tool like this. I'll show that to you in another video. We don't need to do that here today, so I'm not going to grind these seats. Alright, so having checked that seat, it's simply a matter of screwing the spindle in, like this. And what we want to do is we want to screw that in so it's just about the firmness of if you turned off a normal tap. So I'll just adjust my shifter down. A little bit more. There we go. You can just feel it's nicked up. Perfect. We don't want to over tighten that because what we're doing is we're actually taking the base of that spindle onto the tap seat, just so it seals nicely. Now with that in there like that, we simply get the collet and we screw the collet on. And we are done. So we'll move on to the one for the other side. Now importantly, before we put the rest of the hardware, caps on, etc., we'll just pop the water back on and we'll test for leaks. Alright, so I've got the water back on. We'll just check for leaks. You can see there's no leaks around the joins anywhere. So we're all good to go. So we'll get the mounting hardware on. so with that all mounted up, we're good to test. Perfect. So there you go, folks. That's how to quickly and easily get rid of your traditional tap washer spindle out of wall taps using really minimal tools. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.